हेलो दोस्तों, मेरे चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। बीएड वर्सेस बीटीसी सुप्रीम कोर्ट के फैसले के बारे में आज के वीडियो में हम लोग देखेंगे दोस्तों, क्योंकि इस केस से बहुत ज़्यादा उम्मीदें थी बीएड अभ्यर्थियों की। और जितने भी पेंडिंग केसेस हैं बीएड वर्सेस बीटीसी यानी कि डीएलएड वाला जो केस है, पेंडिंग केस पड़े हुए हैं, उनका असर अब इस केस के माध्यम से देखने को मिल सकता है। ये केस बहुत ही ज़्यादा अहम था दोस्तों बीएड अभ्यर्थियों के लिए, और इसका व्यापक प्रभाव जो है हमारे छत्तीसगढ़, मध्य प्रदेश और बिहार में जो वैकेंसीज निकलेंगी शिक्षक भर्ती, उन पर जो है पड़ने वाला है। और छत्तीसगढ़ में तो 57,000 शिक्षक भर्ती आने वाली है। आगे वीडियो में आप पूरा देखिएगा, आप सुप्रीम कोर्ट के फैसले का पूरा वीडियो भी देखिएगा, लेकिन वो इंग्लिश में है इसलिए मैं थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेनेशन कर देता हूँ हिंदी में कि आखिर आज के केस में हुआ क्या है। इस केस की सुनवाई जस्टिस पमिधी गंथम और श्री नरसिम्हा की बेंच पर हुई, और यहाँ पे डीएलएड एडवोकेट थे दोस्तों मीनाक्षी अरोड़ा, और बीएड एडवोकेट नेहार राठी थी। फाइनली इस केस को जो है दोस्तों डिस्पोज कर दिया गया है, यानी कि ये केस पूरी तरीके से खारिज हो चुकी है, डिसमिस्ड कर दिया गया है। आप स्टेटस देख सकते हैं ऑनलाइन भी। अब इस केस में हुआ क्या दोस्तों, तो केस की जो सुनवाई हुई उसके प्रारंभ में ही दोस्तों जो बीएड एडवोकेट हैं यानी कि नेहा राठी, उनके द्वारा दोस्तों विड्रॉल की मांग की गई। और उनके द्वारा विड्रॉल की मांग इस उम्मीद से की गई थी कि शायद ये केस जो है जस्टिस अनिरुद्ध बोस और सुधांशु धूलिया की बेंच पर जाएगा, जहां ये सब मामले और भी सुने जा चुके हैं। लेकिन डीएलएड एडवोकेट मीनाक्षी अरोड़ा ने इस पर असहमति जताई कि ये कब तक चलेगा, और बार बार केस किए जा रहे हैं और डिसमिस भी हो रहे हैं। दलीलें आगे बढ़ी दोस्तों, दोनों पक्ष की बात सुनी गई, पर बीएड की ओर से जो दलीलें पेश की गई उसमें डॉक्यूमेंटेशन की कमी थी, जिसके कारण वहाँ जो जस्टिस थे पमिधी गंथम और श्री नरसिम्हा जी, वो काफ़ी नाराज़ हो गए। और जो बीएड एडवोकेट हैं उनके तरफ से माफ़ी भी मांगी गई, और उन्होंने ये दलीलें दी कि हमको लगा कि ये केस जो है जस्टिस सुधांशु धूलिया और अनिरुद्ध की बेंच पर जाएगी, जो कि इन मामलों में पूर्व भी सुनवाई किए गए हैं, तो उनको सारी मामले जो हैं पता है। ये सोचकर वो डॉक्यूमेंटेशन अटैच नहीं किए थे। साथ में और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें यहाँ पे छिपाई गई थी, जिसके कारण जो है जो जज हैं वो नाराज़ हो गए, क्योंकि दोस्तों ये जो है कोई ऑफिशियल जवाब भी नहीं था एज एडवोकेट। और अंत में जो फैसले आई वो चौंकाने वाली थी, क्योंकि यहाँ पे दोस्तों ये केस जो है पूरी तरीके से डिसमिस्ड हो चुकी है। साथ में यहाँ पे पेनल्टी भी लगाई गई है जो बीएड छात्र वेलफेयर एसोसिएशन है उसके ऊपर, यानी कि जो पिटीशन करता है याचिकाकर्ता, उनके ऊपर जो है दोस्तों 25,000 का यहाँ पे जुर्माना भी लगाया गया है। तो ये जो केस है दोस्तों, यदि यहाँ पे बीएड के पक्ष में कुछ थोड़ी उम्मीदें जगी रहती तो पॉसिबल है दोस्तों कि आने वाली जितनी भी भर्तियाँ हैं, खासकर हमारे छत्तीसगढ़ की बात करें जहाँ पे 57,000 पद आने वाले हैं शिक्षक भर्ती की, वहाँ पे जो है दोस्तों बीएड अभ्यर्थियों को मौका मिल सकता था। हालांकि और भी पिटीशन यहाँ पे दायर किए गए हैं और भी केस की सुनवाई बाकी है, लेकिन वो थोड़े से अलग मामले में है। तो इस केस से जो उम्मीद लगाई जा रही थी बीएड अभ्यर्थियों के द्वारा, वो सारी की सारी जो है फेल हो चुकी है। अब आगे जो है दोस्तों आप सुप्रीम कोर्ट की वीडियो पूरा देखिएगा, और यदि आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो जॉब अपडेट्स के लिए चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद।
Thank you.
No, grateful words. Can I withdraw with liberty? Obliged.
My lords, before they start, I think we have a very serious objection to this.
Sixteen.
Your Lordship, I'm the
My lords, there
petitioner.
is a complete non-disclosure and
Your
subject.
Lordship, we are not inclined to press this petition.
Oh,
We are not.
but it's a complete falsehood.
Complete falsehood.
Council is saying we will hear them. We will hear them. What is it?
Now, my lords, in this petition, it is mentioned in the filing index that there is no other similar pending matter or nothing has or disposed of matter. The same advocate on record has filed an application for modification with similar prayer as is made in the first prayer. I have a copy of that application, and yet at time of filing the SLP, it is said no such thing is filed. Apart from the fact,
Petition, right?
my lords, this is 32. The matter is already decided by this.
There are three orders.
Precisely
The
that.
orders of this.
Don't interrupt. We will ask you to answer that question.
Sure.
Don't do that.
My lords,
Telling somebody-
I am saying that.
What exactly? Just explain.
Now, my lords, this is a matter whether the BEd people are qualified to be
Yes,
teaching.
that window
Yes.
period. they want
Now
to-
that judgment has been, that matter has been authoritatively decided by this honorable court by its Divesh. But after that particular judgment, a large number of applications came to be filed by BEd candidates,
Yeah.
including a writ petition,
Hmm.
including one filed by the same AOR, with a very similar prayer, same prayer. Now, those have all been dismissed by this court. And yet, my lords, the present writ is filed by an association created only a few days back without even a disclosure. I don't have a problem that you file anything, but there is a serious problem when you do not disclose the correct
And you
fact.
say no, nothing is pending on this.
Right.
I'll just clarify. My lord,
And my lords, on
a
this.
judgment is given by this honorable court.
Have you disclosed or not?
Yes, my lord.
Have you disclosed or not?
I'm coming to that.
Yes.
There is a judgment by this honorable court deciding the issue of DLED versus BEd. That judgment is rendered on 11th August. That is annexed to this petition. While this petition was filed in the first week of January, in the between, the MA for clarification of the order was listed before the bench which passed the original order, and that bench dismissed its clarification. So therefore, the petition.
When did you file?
Yes.
You filed in January 2024.
Yes,
Correct?
and that order.
1 minute,
Yes.
answer our questions.
Yes.
6 January, when were those dismissed?
11th January, they got
When were
dismissed.
they dismissed?
October to December.
11th January.
October to December.
October to December 2023.
Yes, yes.
You should have.
So that is why.
Disclose it.
Alright, as soon as 11th January it got dismissed.
23,
Alright, we told the
those
client
were dismissed and writ petition filed in January 24.
it was filed prior to the dismissal. As soon as the clarification was
What was
dismissed,
filed by a writ?
alright, this writ was filed. This
It was
writ.
filed on 6th January 24.
Correct. On 11th January, the MA for clarification of the 11th August 2023 judgment was rejected. So therefore, because the prayer is similar, we are not pressing this.
They're asking you something more.
Yeah.
That's an intelligent way of answering.
Yes.
You are saying that those matters which got dismissed on 11th January.
Yeah.
filed on October and December 2023.
Correct,
Why
correct.
did you disclose that in your writ?
Correct.
My lords, one
Or-
more aspect.
But that was for West Bengal.
In a question like this, you will not argue the matter.
I'm not-
Advocacy there. You will have to be truthful to the court.
Yes.
Why
So
have you not
if it is not disclosed, it should have been disclosed. But the West Bengal, that was one applicant by West Bengal, and those West Bengal facts are there. He filed an application for clarification. That clarification was finally listed before the special bench.
You are still not answering. October.
It should have been disclosed.
So
If it is not disclosed, it should have been disclosed.
not disclosed.
That is why.
That's a lapse.
That's a lapse. Otherwise, we would have pressed. If we were pressing the petition, we would have first thing would have been done. We would have handed over the order.
No, that's a lapse. Somebody must take responsibility of the lapse. Who takes responsibility of that?
But
We can't.
but we apologize. That application.
Who will take responsibility of that?
I'll take responsibility. It's my lapse.
That was.
Verified or your client has not disclosed.
But if there was an order, there was no order.
Responsibility is of yours. And these kind of back matters, it's not as if people will not be aware of it.
Yes,
You
yes.
know that. I mean, everybody knows.
So, Malad, what happened in that application is, I'll just indicate
You
it
don't want to spend more time.
because that application was lodged by the registrar as not maintainable.
They are discussing with cost.
Please, my lord.
Malad,
We will discuss.
they're withdraw. We don't want to press.
Press it to be withdrawn, but however, in view of the fact that prior dismissals have not been indicated in the writ petition, we impose, we permit in view of the fact that earlier orders,
But there's only one order.
earlier order.
Three orders.
Orders.
There's no earlier order. Malad, the
And-
earlier filing.
Whatever.
We are
In
filing
view of the fact that tendency of some connected matters are not disclosed in the writ petition.
Yes.
We permit the writ petition to be withdrawn, however, we will dismiss it. However, with costs quantified at 25,000 rupees. Just as a token.
We apologize, Your Lordship, because the
Apology,
But
what
as-
happens is that apology goes internalized. You just apologize and walk out.
but we obviously we cannot because
We are not saying anything about that.
actually we thought that it will also go before the same bench because we have annexed the judgment. That judgment and the list of date gives all the details. So there is no way we can hide it.
Integrity of the
But
proceedings must be maintained.
but that is why we are
That's why
withdrawing.
we are.
That is why we thought we will not.
We understand why you are withdrawing. told you. Thank you.
Well,
Like
was
the prayer was
document
similar.
sent to the Clerks Association or something of the
Pay
Supreme
to the advocates,
Clerks.
on the court clerks association.
Association.
Grateful.
Grateful.
इसमें mention नहीं है.
16.1, my lord.
Item
16.1.
16.1,
Yes, my lord.
same.
Same.
No, it's not the same, my lord. The result has been published by the Bihar Public Service Commission.
Not identical, Mr. Nadkar.
No, it's not identical, my lord.
That's other
It's a different,
item.
it's different. My lord.
16.1.
It's not identical, my lord. You can see, my lord, I am for quashing of the result published by the
Okay,
BP. My lord.
16.1 list separate. We'll get it up. Just have a look at that 16
Not
point.
the same one, state of Bihar one.
No, my lord,
Same,
it's,
same, same.
no, my lord. Let me, it's my petition, my lord. Let me say, my lord, it's my petition, my lord. My lord, this court has invalidated the advertisement and the subsequent step taken by the state of Bihar, my lord.
16.1 and then-
Yes, my lord. In fact,
Have you looked at it?
I'm appearing in 16.
That's also a repetition.
Yes.
Yes, my lord, it's a
Same prayer.
No, my lord.
Why? How are the prayer?
Oh, it's a different, my lord. Kindly see, one, two order, my lord, kindly see. This result has been published in violation of the order of this court, my lord. I am for the delayed contingent.
Show us the prayer and tell us.
Yes, my lord, I am showing the prayer, my lord.
Mr. Nadkari, have you looked at item 16 prayer and this prayer? Both of them have a look at it.
No, it's a different, my lord. Kindly see page
Not in
number
the
14. my lord.
consequence of that notification only.
Kindly see
I think the prayer is
page number
important.
14, my lord. Kindly see page number 14.
Want to talk?
My lord, kindly see page number 14, my lord. My lord, this page is,
After the Supreme Court's order, what is the
my
30?
lord, the state has,
But they have also not disclosed.
my lord, kindly, let me say, my lord. Let me say, it's my case is entirely different.
To petition, we are not going to entertain. You go to the High Court or do whatever. But Article 32 petition is not, will not be entertained by us. Either that you withdraw the 32 petition and then go to the High Court, which will permit you, or else you will dismiss this. Want to withdraw?
Yes, my
Go to
lord.
the High Court?
Yes, with the liberty to approach the High Court.
Petitioner seeks to withdraw the writ petition with the permission granted to avail alternative remedies.
To approach the High Court, it may be better, my lord.
As if.
Go and say that the Supreme Court has.
Supreme Court has
It
given.
will not say.
Lord, my apologies, just one sentence, my lord. This petition of 11th January, the special bench was sitting. We mentioned this petition on 9th January. We moved a mention memo that please list it along with that MA in the special bench. In the special bench, the other side was present. Mr. Chatterjee was also, he noted down. We gave the writ petition number that this writ petition is filed. They said we will see it when it gets listed. So that's why, my lord, there was no intention to hide it. We could not have hidden it.
We are not on intention at all. We are on the extra effort to ensure that, the proceedings are.
I understand.
We have not therefore commented anything on that.
But so that is why the judgment, everything gives the details on the, it's an.
We have not said,
She may not impose
we
the
have
cost.
not, cost is not on you. Cost is on the litigant.
But that's why we have withdrawn, my lord. We told the litigant,
Limited to be withdrawn, but cost.
Lordship may waive the cost.
Disclosure.
That's our request.
Grateful.
Some seriousness must be there with the proceedings.
I understand.
Some extra effort must be made to ensure all this.
Worship, it was an oversight. There was no intention to hide any fact because we had told the other bench also.
We moved the mention memo also.
All right, all right. All right.
Grateful.
Yes, my lord, in this matter, respondent was absent from the duty for more than 8.5 years, my lord.